Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to find drop photo or drop stories on Facebook. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook application in your mobile phone. Just a moment. So right here. So I will be posting some thoughts or stories right here. Just hold on. One moment. Okay, right now after this creating this one, click the upper left side, create post, or the arrow facing to the upper right side. So click this one, and where you can save the stories or the post saved as draft. So, I already save it as draft, and Facebook will notify you, or you'll be receiving a notification that your draft was saved. So you must click that one. So that's it. You are on the drop right now or on Facebook drop. So you can open the drop or discard drop or open the drop to continue posting it. So right like this. And the drop will be discarded after 3 days. So that's it. That's how to find a drop photo on Facebook. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.